Hi guys. Okay, I'm just gonna let everybody just come in and then say hi because obviously Avneet. Hello everybody. Hello, hi. Hi guys, what's up? Wave to the person who waved at me. Okay, so I know मैं थोड़ा late हो गई हूँ आज. I'm 28 minutes late. That's almost 30 minutes. Okay, I'm so sorry guys, but I had to just do something. I was a little caught up in that. But I'm here now, so please join in. And चश्मा किसका था वो काला? क्या ही बताओ अब. मत ही पूछो. Hi Pinky. Wow. Thank you. Hi Bhavesh. Love you. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you too. Happy New Year to everybody actually. I was thinking to come live New Year पे, but then I thought यार क्यों सब लोगों को सब लोग busy होंगे and they would be just having fun, so why to go at that time, and it's been a while since I've come live, so I just wanted to take out time and come live आराम से just to see everybody. कैसे हो आप? I'm good. How are you? Hi everybody. Hi everyone who's watching. Hi to all. So tell me about your New Year. How was it? What did you guys do? Your plans, whatever that was. Happy New Year, cutie. Happy New Year to you too. Hello G. Hi. Happy New Year, Avneet. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to each and everyone. Hi Fez. Hi Megha. Okay, I'm just gonna take out names so that people know that they're here and I'm talking. Avneet Kaur _ Punjab, looking so pretty as usual. Thank you so much, sweetie. You look pretty, babe. Thank you so much. Take my name. Hi. Tofia. Pink is pretty because of you, Pinky sweetie. Thank you so much. That's so cute. Hi, hello, hi guys. So how was your New Year? My New Year was great. It was with family and friends, how it should be always, and yeah, I enjoyed. I had fun. I was happy. That is what is important. Hi guys. Hi. Hello favorite, please say my name. Okay, I'm not sure. It's Satkar, if I'm not wrong. Good night. Okay, good night. The people who are going to sleep, right? Oh my god, I don't like these eyelashes. Yeah. So the people who are going to sleep right now, good night. Why are you sleeping right now? God. Hi, say my name, Aman. Hi, Aman. Take my name, Khushi. Hi, Khushi. Okay, I'm just going to pin down a few questions that people are asking me. So somebody is asking me कि आपकी गोवा ट्रिप कैसी रही? Well, it was fabulous as usual. बहुत मज़ा आया, and Goa is a place that I really like. Now that I'm going a lot, but I love it and I think I have a lot of fun. And now that I know a lot of places in Goa, I have even more fun. And also I got a tattoo in Goa, like insane. I'm telling you guys, अभी एकदम chill way में कि ऐसे मैंने tattoo कराया ये वो, but the sort of the amount of pain that I had during that, it was just next level. अवनीत जी, अरे विशांक जी, कहाँ हैं आप आजकल? When am I seeing you? It's been 3 years, cutie. Oh, it has, right? God, that's a long time. Let me... Okay, 1 second. Oh God, where did it go? TJ, yo, what's up, TJ? भाई फिल्टर के काम ही नहीं चक रहा, मतलब? Okay, I'll remove it. No, I'll just put something else if you guys don't like it. Okay, that's too dark. Yeah, this is nice. This is me. Yeah. Hi. Hey, sup. Hi, JV, what's up? अभी कहाँ हो आप? अभी मैं घर पे हूँ. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you too. Okay. I am going to pin down a few more questions because बहुत सारे लोगों ने क्वेश्चंस डाले हुए हैं. अभी मैं देखना भी चाहती हूँ. Okay, somebody is asking me the age difference between me and Jay. Okay, so that's gonna be a year. I know that's a shocker, but yeah, हम दोनों में ज़्यादा difference नहीं है. We just 1.5 year actually, not much. Hi guys. 1.5 year बड़ी हूँ मैं उससे. If you guys don't know, बाप रे, मेरे से बड़ा दिखता है वो. Oh, that's so cute. Somebody just said that you're the crush of the century. That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Unique Rehan. That's so sweet. Okay, let's get down to some more questions and answers. Okay, when will your next album be out? I hope soon. I really wanna, tell you guys about it, but abhi main bhi sure nahi hu, so I can't really tell you guys. But it's coming very soon, so stay tuned, and it's gonna be great as usual. You're so sweet and beautiful from others. You are amazing, ma'am. Love you so much. Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you to say. Don't stay away for too long. Don't go to... I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. Oh, I know the song. Make a cup of coffee for your head. Tell me the song. I think it's a One Direction song, Ree. Is it? Oh God, I love this song. Waiting for your next music video. I'm waiting for it too. I'm so excited. Hey, love from Goa. Yo, what's up? Love from Mumbai. सब यार सही है. पार्टी करो तुम गोवा में. क्या बात है. हाय. Tattoo. हाँ ये tattoo. This is my tattoo that I got from Chandigarh, and there's another tattoo that I got from Goa. Yeah, so love from Film City. यार विशांक, मिलो जल्दी. तुम कहाँ खो गए हो तुम? न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेशन कुछ ज़्यादा ही चल रही है. Sing a song. Okay. अच्छा ठीक है. Let me just ask everybody what they want me to sing, and then I'll sing it. Because I'm bad at choosing songs. I'm really bad at that. What are your plans in 2021? I just want good things to happen and positive things to happen and success for each and everybody. Good health for each and everybody, which is more important than success. लक दी कसम गाओ. वाह, ओके, आई थिंक वो रामजी सर पे बहुत सूट करती है, ये वाला सॉन्ग उन पे सूट करता है, सो आई वुड लीव दिस टू हिम. आइसक्रीम सॉन्ग. हाय अवनीत, योर फैन. एक सेकेंड. अरे रे, दिस इज अ न्यू फीचर समथिंग, आई डोंट नो. मैं लास्ट जब लाइव गई थी बहुत टाइम हो गया अभी तो. टेल मी अवनीत, आप okay. Hi Avneet, a fan from Pakistan. Hello, how are you? Abu, your current favorite song? There are a lot of songs that I'm listening to right now, and शुरू करने के तो बाप रे ख़त्म नहीं होंगे. What is your tattoo name meaning? It means, okay, this one if you guys are talking about, then this one is it means Analom, which means peace and positivity and the path of life. So it's got the this sign which just tells us to stay positive and go through life. This is the path of life. We're gonna make a lot of mistakes and eventually learn from them. So I think, yeah, I really loved it because it had a very beautiful meaning. And then there's a lotus on top, so it's a lotus analom, which even makes it prettier. Alright, so I'm gonna pin down a few more questions. Let me take a look. बाप रे, कितना टाइम हो गया मैं लाइव नहीं गई. मुझे इतना मन से, मतलब I was just, I really wanted to come live. I was telling mom also I should go live New Year पे, but then it was actually not a good idea for me to go live New Year पे, so I didn't. What is your name meaning? Okay, it actually means the earth. My father gave this name to me, so it means the earth. It is a beautiful name. Please tell your lipstick shade. Oh, this one is from Lakme, if I'm not wrong. It's the matte, the liquid matte edition. इसका name नहीं पता. It's a nude pink something. It's very subtle. Ma'am, why are you so beautiful? Oh, thank you so much. That's so sweet. Which book are you reading? Right now, I have not been so constant with my book reading, but I've read a lot of books in the past, and right now I'm reading Ikigai, which is a book about life and learning and how to not get old. So it talks about all that, and I really like this book. So I'm reading that right now. Hair color. I know, hair color. God, मैंने ज़्यादा बाल बांध के रख रही हूँ आजकल, because I was traveling and they became pretty dry because of the hair color and the traveling and everything. But now they're getting back at it. They're getting back in shape. So I thought, why not just keep them open today? I like them. I like the color. What is your favorite song? Ooh, okay. It's gonna be my forever favorite. I really like Mairi from Euphoria. If you're talking in like Bollywood, like Hindi, then Mairi, O Sanam is my current favorite. It's just has those vibes. I just love it. And I really like it's gonna be my forever favorite song. I really like Can't Help Falling in Love with You. Then there's this song by James Arthur, if I'm saying it, I'm not sure, but okay, there's a song, I know the name of the song, Say You Won't Let Go. I really like it. It's a very beautiful song. Yeah, a lot of songs that I like. What's your hair color shade? I think, I don't know, Sonal Di, tell us please. But whatever that she created, it's beautiful and it's different, something that I wanted from a very long time. But this one is blonde ash brown, like a not complete blonde, but yeah, it's pretty light. So it's in the ash brown this thing, but I really like it. Avneet Kaur fan world best. Thank you so much. Hi Lisa. Okay, I'm just going to add a few people and see. Nope. Okay, I'm live and add go live with Zikram Mukta, if I'm not wrong. Hey Raghav, hi. Hello. I'm not really able to hear you. Hello. Okay, I don't know. Somebody disconnected. I don't know. Your favorite eye color? वो होगा brown. I like brown eyes. I really love. I'm not a person who'd go for, blue, green, and all those shades. And I don't know. It's just me. I really like brown eyes. I have a crush on you. Thank you. That's so sweet. आज आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हो. Thank you. How are you so cute? I don't know. It's just my genes, maybe. Sorry. You're looking so beautiful. Thank you. Alright, let me add somebody else. Okay, let's see the request. Okay, I'm going live with Avneet Kaur is love. I like the username. Let's see. Don't be shy. Come. Hello.
हेलो मैम.
हाय, कैसे हैं आप? हेलो.
हेलो.
कैसे हो आप?
I don't know Hindi.
Oh, you don't know Hindi? Okay, I'll speak to you in English. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, where are you from?
Ma'am, please follow me.
Okay, alright. Where are you from?
I'm from Kerala.
Oh, you're from Kerala. What's your name, sweetheart?
Sarah Maria Nitu.
Okay, can you just tell me the first bit of it? What is it?
Sarah Maria Nitu.
Okay, I'm not sure if I can say the whole thing.
I am started the account with your name. Anvitka is my love.
Yeah, I saw that and I loved the username and that's why I added you. You're so cute, darling. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. God bless you. So cute. Okay, let's see if somebody else wants to come live with me. Oof, your eyes, Avneet. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Sheikh Gupta. Let's see. I'm also from Kerala. Okay, hi Najma, how are you?
हाय
Hi, कैसे हैं आप?
मैम अच्छे हैं.
कहाँ हैं आप? Where are you
बिहार
from?
बिहार में.
बिहार. आपका नाम क्या है?
Oh, my name is Abhishek Gupta.
Okay, Abhishek, nice to meet you.
और सब मैम?
बस एकदम सही। ध्यान रखिए अपना, सेहत का ध्यान रखिए।
मैम बहुत ठंड है, बहुत ठंड।
बहुत ठंड है।
हाँ।
यहाँ बिल्कुल ठंड नहीं है, मुंबई में बिल्कुल ठंड नहीं है।
हाँ, तो हम भी मुंबई में रहते हैं।
आप मुंबई में रहते हैं?
हाँ।
यहाँ कहाँ ठंड है?
यहाँ पे नहीं, मतलब गांव में आए हैं।
अच्छा अच्छा, आप अभी गाँव में हैं। बिहार में हैं अभी आप?
हाँ।
ओके
तब और
ओके।
मैम? और सब
ध्यान
मैम?
रखो से बचो।
हाँ मैम। और सब?
बस सही है, बढ़िया है। चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन।
यस। आप इंग्लिश अच्छी बोलती मैम। एक बार और इंग्लिश।
थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ।
मैम। हेलो मैम। मैम।
हेलो। जी।
मैम। व्हाट व्हाट इज योर नेम?
माय नेम इज अवनीत।
ओ, या।
जी। But thank you so much, Abhishek, right, for joining in. Thank you. I have to add a few more people.
थैंक यू मैम।
God bless you. Bye bye.
गुड लक।
Good luck. इंग्लिश अच्छी बोल लेती हूँ यार, चलो कुछ तो अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट आया। Who is this? Okay. No. Okay. Okay, I was just about to add somebody. यार मुझे करो ना ज्वाइन। ओके। इज इट मुबीन?